In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install an external SSL certificate on Hostinger step by step. If you've purchased an SSL certificate from a third-party provider and you want to use it on your Hostinger website, this guide will walk you through the entire process inside hPanel. By the end of this video, your SSL will be properly installed and active, keeping your website secure and trusted by browsers. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical web hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Go to hostinger.com and access your hPanel dashboard. Once you're inside hPanel, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites to see the list of domains connected to your hosting account. Find the domain where you want to install the external SSL certificate and then click on Manage next to that domain. This will open the management area for that specific website. After you're inside the website management dashboard, the next step is to open your SSL settings. To do that, look at the menu and navigate to Security, and then click on SSL. This section is where you manage SSL certificates for your domain. If you're installing an external SSL certificate, this is the area where you'll handle the installation process. Once you're inside the SSL section, you'll see the current SSL status of your domain. If no SSL is installed yet, you'll see an option to install one. Click on Install if it's not already installed. In some cases, like mine, the SSL may already be installed and active. If that's the case, you'll see the status showing as active, and you won't need to reinstall it. If you are adding an external SSL certificate, this is where you would paste the certificate details provided by your SSL provider, including the certificate itself, the private key, and the CA bundle if required. Make sure you copy and paste everything exactly as given, without extra spaces. Once you've entered all the required details, confirm the installation. Hostinger will then process the certificate and apply it to your domain. After the installation is complete, it's very important to verify that the SSL status is active. Go back to the SSL section under Security and check the SSL status indicator. It should show as active. You can also open your website in a new browser tab and make sure the URL starts with HTTPS instead of HTTP. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar. That padlock confirms that your SSL certificate is properly installed and working. If you don't immediately see HTTPS working, try clearing your browser cache or waiting a few minutes for the changes to propagate. In some cases, DNS or server updates can take a short amount of time to reflect. And that's it. You've successfully installed an external SSL certificate on Hostinger using hPanel. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to go. Log into hPanel, go to Websites, click Manage, navigate to Security, open SSL, install the certificate, and verify that it's active. Keeping your website secure with SSL is essential for user trust, SEO rankings, and protecting sensitive data. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and web hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.